Hey guys, we're here today for another episode of How Hard Could It Be? The series where I tackle simple maintenance on cars without looking up how to do them, because that's more fun. Today, we're doing windshield wiper blades on a 2015 Ford Escape. Now, on our way down to Georgia, me and my wife had a bit of an incident, and we lost one of our wiper blades. It literally just straight flew off. It was kind of great. We drove all in the rain with one blade because we're just like, I don't want to stop and change it in the rain. So now we're here today to replace both of them. Now the irony in this is my wife has actually done this and I haven't, so she might be the one giving me tips. Who knows? It'll be fun. Let's have fun.
You gotta not stab.
I tried to do it. Oh, my arm. Task number 1, figuring out how to get these out. It comes with installation instructions. That's what we do with those. All right, I'm gonna try this. Oh, that's good. Ooh, hello. We got it off.
See, I think that I'm gonna pan. This one, that little thing is not supposed to be on there. I think the blade fell off, but the plastic part stayed on.
Yeah, I think
so. It looks a little different.
Okay, so I think there's different levels of like attachment, different types of attachments.
It's good we're doing this because it looks like it's gonna rain later. It's also 70 degrees in Georgia the week after Christmas.
Oh yeah, this one's about to fall off too. I kid you not. We're about to lose this one too because it's got the little peg that goes in there. Like this one is off, so we're about to lose that one as well. That would have been fun.
See, even the old ones
got it.
are even different from the new ones. So it's not helpful to look at the old ones.
Yeah, because we need this attachment on here.
Which one?
Yeah, the one you're holding, because see, then that one goes like, pretty sure it goes like in, and then it like sticks. Yeah, but we need to get, but I think we need to put, wait, I think we need to get it, like this one off to put this one on. I think, yeah. Oh wait, yeah, you just pull these off. Ta-da!
Oh wait, so these stay with the car.
Yeah.
That's the old one.
No, this is the, oh, that's the old one?
Oh wait, no, that's the new one.
This is, okay. Because we only have one old one, and there it is.
Oh! Okay,
The other one's on the side of the highway in Alabama. Yeah, so you actually just pull that one off.
You pull this off?
Wait. Oh, and? Aha! So we figured out how to do it. This attachment right here, null and void. This one is not the one you want for the Ford Focus, or Ford Escape. Why do I keep saying Focus? I have no idea. Oh well, we'll gloss over that. This is the attachment that you want for it. And we were figuring out how to do it. This one right here. Ta-da! So,
oh wait,
you take,
blurry.
That's fine.
Okay.
So you take the old attachment off. There we go. You just kind of pull it off, this one, the one they have in there, and you take this one.
Attachment A.
Attachment A? Oh.
Yeah.
This one's B. I guess this one's V. So yeah, you want attachment A right here, and what you do is you actually kind of push it in, like, kind of goes over and then into these little slots, and then it clicks in. So there it is. And then you kind of, oh that's right, it was this way. You put this tab in through this little hole up here, and then click it in, and it sits there, and it's on. Don't forget to take the guard off. Da, 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 da. Whack, whack, whack. And there it is. It was pretty difficult. Not really. We were just kind of incompetent and eventually figured it out.